fellow knowledge enthusiasts, and welcome to the next episode of In Conversation with. And in this month, we are celebrating children. These children are amazing achievers, and today I have one such achiever. His name is Arudra Raghunathan. He's in class 8 and he's from GPS East, Bangalore. Arudra, thank you so much for joining us today. Lovely to have you with us.
Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me here.
It's a pleasure. So let's get straight into this conversation, Arudra. So tell me, what do you do? You're in class 8. I'm pretty sure you're very much into your studies.
Yeah.
But other than your studies, what else do you do?
So I have this deep interest of reading history and geography and knowing about different people and their countries. Also, I read a lot of Amar Chitrakatha books, which has helped me a lot in the quiz. And I also sing Carnatic music and solve the Rubik's Cube, which helps me improve my speed and focus, attention. And I also read the newspaper, which gives me knowledge and has helped me quite a few times in the quiz.
Okay. Are you also into sports?
Yeah, I play sports down with my friends. I am not so into sports, but I do play them down with my friends.
You play regularly. You play
Yeah.
regular sports.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm going to latch on to what you said about quizzing. What all of you viewers, what you should know is that Arudra is one among the top 4 of the 22,000 children who took part in the YGP quiz. So he was among the top 4. So you can imagine how much he would have prepared. So Arudra, tell us, how much did you prepare and how did you prepare yourself for the India quiz that we had?
So I read a lot of newspapers, as I said, and I used to see a lot of slide shares online along with my father. He too has this interest in general knowledge, and he gave me extra questions which helped me prepare, and I got a lot of information with it. And yeah, I spent 1 hour or 2 hours a day to prepare for the quiz, and it was a great opportunity, and I successfully did well.
Yeah, lovely, very nice. How often do you quiz? Do you quiz regularly?
Yeah, when I got to know about the quiz, I started doing it regularly. Before that, I used to do it, but not much as I do it now, because I have only participated in quizzes held inside my society or inside my school, and this is the first time I'm participating in such a large scale quiz.
So you took part in such a large national quiz for the first time, and
Yeah.
you were top 4 in that quiz itself.
Yeah.
That is amazing. I don't know. I wouldn't call it beginner's luck, but I think you prepared yourself very well to reach there. That's really good. So you said this was your first large platform when it came to quizzing, and you have so many other activities that you do in your daily life.
Yeah.
You play every day, and you are in class 8, and we know as and when you go into higher grades, the pressure when it comes to academics also starts increasing. How do you manage all of this?
So I basically keep time slots for everything. I study for a fixed time, then I play down in the evenings, and then I do quizzing and come home and do quizzing. So these time slots help me a lot, and it's managed, and I have no pressure right now as such.
Have no pressure. That is very nice. I must tell you, Arudra, I think you are one among very few kids who's in high school and who has told me I have no pressure right now. That is really good. So tell me, out of so many things that you do, is there something that you are very passionate about and that you could probably term as this is my passion in life?
As such, I'm just exploring my passion right now, and quizzing is definitely one of my passion, and I have lot of interest into it. Even Carnatic music is an interest, but I'm still exploring, and yeah.
All right, fine. So tell me, you said you're just exploring your passion and things like that. Does that also mean that you're not yet sure about what ambition you have in life?
Yeah, I'm exploring that as well, and maybe by 10th grade I'll have a great ambition or a great aim in life. But
Okay.
quizzing and receiving a trophy from you and Big Brain Sir is definitely one of my.
Oh, that is very sweet, Arudra. Thank you so much. I will pass this message on to Pickbrain as well, or maybe we'll just ask him to watch this video. He'll probably do that. All right. So, you know what I say to kids like you? First of all, I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life till the time I completed my post graduation. But whatever I did in a very satisfactory or in a nice manner. So I did not ruin my academics, but I had no idea what I wanted to become. But what it did was it kept different options open for me. So instead of thinking that you're a little confused, you can always think about, oh, I have so many options that are open for me and I can try so many different things. So I think it's just the way you look at it. It's just a perspective that you have to have. I think that's pretty okay. So tell me, Arudra, what message would you have as someone from your age who has been top 4 of 22,000 kids who took part? What message do you have for all the kids out there of your age or younger or older?
So my message to my peers and all the kids would be to do what you feel interests you and do it with full hard work and dedication, and success will come chasing you.
Is this like something like what Amir Khan says in Three Idiots? Like you put in your hard work, you put in your effort, and success will come chasing
Yeah,
you.
something like that.
That's amazing. But whether that has inspired you or not, I must say that is an amazing message. And at such a young age, if you understand that what you put into the work that you do matters more, and success or accolades will come after you, that itself is very important. I think that will take you places. So thank you so much for joining us today,
And
Arudra.
I
Go on.
also thank my parents for helping me and motivating me to take part in the quiz, and I also thank PSBB group of schools and Grey Caps along with my school as well for motivating me to take part in this quiz and come up to such a level. It's been a great experience.
Lovely, very nice. Thank you so much, Arudra. That was a wonderful message from you for all of us. And yes, I will pass the message on to the PSPG group as well. I will definitely do that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, all you knowledge enthusiasts, that was Arudra for you. And you heard him. Put in your best effort, put in your hard work, and success will chase after you. You guys take care, and we will be back with many such interesting stories in the month of November. Take care and be back soon.